Hey guys! In this video, we will show you the top 7 genius gadgets to keep in your bag before traveling. So if you want to minimize your luggage weight and travel smart with these gadgets, watch the video till the end. Ever imagine a wallet with solar panels? Well, now you won't have to imagine anymore, because it's a reality. The Sonder travel wallet harnesses the power of the sun and saves that green energy in its 5000 mAh power bank. And it does so with 3 powerful monocrystalline solar panels. This cool wallet is wrapped in strong, durable Napa leather, and the power bank has a charge indicator with dual USB ports for charging 2 devices simultaneously. So you can put it on a table while enjoying your morning coffee or juice it up when tanning at the beach. Now here is the EVO Shaver 2.0. This is a powerful and portable electric shaver that will help you look your best no matter where you are. This shaver has a lightweight, travel-friendly design that's easy to operate. And you can have a clean shave without any stubble or cuts. Wondering how? It has an incredible motor speed and dual flexible blades that align closer to your skin. You can also wash it under the sink or use it as shaving cream, as it is IPX6 waterproof. And the battery can last up to 30 days, so you won't have to worry about recharging it frequently. The DiFOLD Origami bottle is an eco-friendly foldable bottle that you can put inside the tightest pockets of your luggage or travel bag. But what makes this bottle so unique? Well, other than being a space saver, this origami bottle is designed to be reused and eliminate the need for plastic bottles. It stands stable when unfolded and is constructed from bio-based, BPA-free polymer with a stainless steel cap. Thirsty? No problem. Take it out of your bag, unfold, fill, and drink. You can also attach it to your bag or belt loop before heading out on your adventure. Do you frequently travel to places with different wall outlets and require multiple adapters to charge your various devices? Well, the UC01 can help with that, as this sleek adapter offers seamless charging in over 190 countries worldwide. This 30-watt adapter has a white, minimalist, and modular design. It is integrated with 4 types of plugs and adjustable pins. You just have to rotate the wheel on the front to reveal the charging pins and twist until it realigns to fully extend the pins. It will eliminate the need for bulky extras, as it is lightweight, powerful, and adaptable. Why do travel pillows have to be shaped like a toilet seat? Not anymore. Here is the NotNodi, the best travel pillow that will help you sleep comfortably on the plane, bus, or train. First and foremost, this isn't a regular travel pillow, as you can already tell by its unique design. It will keep your head in a comfortable and natural position to promote a healthy posture. You will be able to have a restful sleep by simply wearing the band on your head and placing the pillow on either your neck or back. It's also compact and lightweight, making it the perfect travel companion. The Hunt 4.0 is a flashlight that combines a pry bar and lighter into its compact build. But why would you need such a gadget before traveling? Let's put it this way, it's always better to stay prepared for unforeseen situations. It has a rugged, heavy-duty build yet is extremely lightweight. This EDC gadget also has an IPX7 rating, and the flashlight can last for up to 7 hours. The refillable lighter works with just a flick of your thumb. And the pry bar is made of grade 5 titanium, which can be used for various purposes, such as opening a box or screwing in a bolt. Now let's conclude this list with a cool gadget that will help you stay clean and sanitized. The Soapstone 2.0 is a sustainable travel dispenser that works great for applying sanitizer, shampoo, lotion, or other liquids when traveling. It fits in the palm of your hand and is highly durable for everyday carry. The handy carabiner loop will allow you to attach it to your belt loop or backpack. And when you are done using it, twist it, lock it, and pop it in your pocket. The Soapstone 2.0 is perfect for all kinds of toiletries or anything you don't want to carry in a full-sized bottle. And this concludes our list of the top 7 genius gadgets to keep in your bag before traveling. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.